So, you're sitting there, excited to play your favorite game on your brand new PlayStation 5. You turn it on, eagerly waiting for the console to boot up. But instead of the smooth startup sequence, you're greeted with an error message. Error code CE-116799-3. Frustration starts to creep in as you realize that your subscription to PlayStation Plus can't be confirmed. But fear not, because I'm here to help you fix this issue. First things first, let's try some basic troubleshooting steps. Start by checking your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network and that your Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable is properly plugged in. Sometimes, a simple network hiccup can cause this error. If your internet connection seems fine, the next step is to restart your PlayStation 5. Press and hold the power button on the console until it turns off completely. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. This simple reboot can often resolve minor software glitches that may be causing the error. If the error persists, it's time to delve a bit deeper. Go to the Settings menu on your PlayStation 5 and select Users and Accounts. From there, choose Account Information and then PlayStation Subscriptions. Check if your PlayStation Plus subscription is active and up to date. If it's expired or needs renewal, you'll need to take care of that before you can confirm it. If your subscription is active and you're still encountering the error, it's time to contact PlayStation Support. They have a dedicated team of experts who can assist you further. You can reach out to them through their website or by phone. Be sure to provide them with all the necessary details, including the error code, so they can better assist you in resolving the issue. In the meantime, while you wait for a solution, you can still enjoy your PlayStation 5. There are plenty of offline games and features that don't require an active PlayStation Plus subscription. So, don't let this error dampen your gaming spirits. Remember, technology can sometimes be unpredictable, and errors like CE-116799-3 can occur. But with a little patience and the right troubleshooting steps, you'll be back to gaming in no time.